In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero STP Finalization, how to finalize Single Touch Payroll for 2025, 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Xero in your browser and heading to the login page. Click Login, then enter your email and password and click Login again. If multi-factor authentication pops up, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. If you manage multiple organizations, double check you're in the correct company at the top of the screen before proceeding. From the dashboard, go to Payroll. In the Payroll area, select Single Touch Payroll. If this is your first time using STP in Xero, you'll see a prompt to opt in. Go ahead and opt in, then review your organization details. This is crucial. Make sure the legal name, ABN address, and contact details are accurate and match your official records. Any mismatch can cause lodgement errors with the ATO. For this demo, we'll jump straight to the settings via the 3 dots menu in the STP screen. Click the 3 dots, then choose STP settings. Here, Xero will again prompt you to review your organization details. Take a moment to carefully check them, and if everything looks correct, click Continue. Next, you'll connect Xero to the ATO. Xero will guide you through the authorization steps required to establish that connection. Follow the on-screen instructions exactly, as this links your payroll data to the ATO for compliant STP reporting. If Xero asks you to confirm your software provider or registration details, ensure those match what's on file for your business. When the connection is complete, click Done. That confirms your setup is finished. From here, your STP filings for the 2025 financial year will be sent through this connection, and you'll be ready to finalize when you complete your payroll year. A few quick tips before you wrap up. First, always verify that all pay runs are posted and any amendments have been processed in Xero before you perform year-end finalization. Second, if something doesn't look right in the organization details, fix it at the source in your organization settings and then return to STP settings. Finally, if you get an error during the ATO connection step, confirm you're logged into the correct Xero organization and try again after checking your business identifiers. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to payroll, opened Single Touch Payroll, opted in if needed, reviewed your details, accessed STP settings, continued connected Xero to the ATO, and clicked Done. You're now set up for a smooth STP finalization for 2025.